Hey guys, what's going on? It's the Chevy Dude. Before I begin the content of this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn all your bell notifications on so you don't miss an upload. Most importantly, if you communicate or contact the Bachman Auto Group in any sort of fashion, make sure you tell them that I'm the reason you are here, and make sure that you ask for me so I can help you purchase your next car here at Bachman Auto Group. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. A little early here on a Sunday morning in February. We're a week into 2020 Corvette builds. I think I had a fantastic week. As you can see, it's really dark. The K1500 is started. I'm going to go down to Bowling Green today. We're going to see if we can locate my car, and also I got a little other surprise in here. We're going to attempt to maybe get inside the fence legally without breaking any laws. I'm going to ask. If they say yes, sweet. If they say no, then that's going to be it. I'm not going to do anything goofy, not going to do anything stupid, but if I can see my car up close and personal before it gets to the dealership, how exciting does that be? So come along with me on the ride. We're going to find out all that information and see if we can see my car. All right, we are headed down to Bowling Green. This is Mike. I'm Mike, customer of mine. First 2021 Tahoe owner, soon to be. We ordered it, ripped his head off. And so we're headed down there. Oh, you know what? I should probably make sure that the car is still at the plant.
That would be a good thing.
Yeah, hold on. We gotta make sure it's still there. So I'm the type of guy that likes to get in the vehicle, drive, get to a place. Well, the other Mike. So this is like, I'm the good Mike, and that's the bad Mike back there. He has to stop, get gas. He needs like a Cinnabon or something like that. What do you get? What are you getting? A Cinnabon?
Yeah, Cinnabon.
A Cinnabon. Yeah, he's got to get a Cinnabon here at Schlotsky's Deli. So, yeah, he's slowing the process up.
Has thousands of titles for kids and well-ordered.
You know this is a diesel, right?
$15 a month.
Put the wrong stuff in here.
Where's the depth go? You want anything?
Yeah, I want to get a.
Hang on one second.
Do they have sausage egg McMuffins? That's what I want.
Sausage egg McMuffin?
Yeah. Oh yeah, number 2.
Yeah. Can I get a number 2? What do you want to drink?
What's the drink?
Orange juice.
Orange juice.
Okay.
And then I'll get a number 1.
All right, so we had to get McDonald's. Cinnabons just wasn't up to Mike's par.
Too many calories.
Yeah, this is much healthier. All right, guys, we are here. Check it out. There is a sea of white out there, but if you look, there's a sea of color as well, which is pretty interesting. I'm not sure what's going on. We're gonna see if we can locate my car. I'm gonna show you how I'm tracking my car. And my thought process is that these cars all over here are pre-production cars, which is why they're wrapped. And then those cars over there are currently in the quality hold and not wrapped, so that way if they need to do work on it, if they need to change anything, stuff like that. I do see a white one right there next to that orange one, yellow one on the other side. Kind of interesting. And then, oh, there's one pulling out right now. I see one driving. And we're gonna see if there's any of them on the trucks. Did I see another one driving? All that good stuff, and we're gonna find out more about these. As you know, I've got one of these pre-production cars sold, if these are pre-production way out here. That's going to my friend Andrew, who is with Complete Street Performance up in Pennsylvania. He's actually buying 2 Corvettes from me, and we're gonna see if we can locate his car and my car. All right, well, it's right here. We have a couple of the cars here. This is your first time seeing them up close.
Thing's awesome.
This is Elkhart Lake Blue, number 61 50000000061. I think I've said too many zeros in there. So looks like a 2LT competition GT2 seats. So really awesome. Silver painted wheels. We have Long Beach red over here. This appears to be a 3LT. Can't tell, can't really see the black, but competition seats. And yeah, really awesome. This is a pre-production car, number 372. So this is Z51 car, right there. This is not a Z51 car. Do you know how you tell the difference between Z51 and non-Z51?
Nope.
No? Easiest way is the spoiler right here. Down the road, they'll put people will start putting spoilers on the cars. It'll be tough to tell.
Yeah.
But in the old car, like your car, my car, right?
Yeah.
So you could look at the rotors and tell, and that was really the only way. And now you'll be able to look at the calipers,
Right.
and see that says Z51, and then that one doesn't. But that's really the only way you're gonna be able to tell is looking at the calipers. Color my C7. Wasn't a huge fan of this color on the car. It does look good on this car, but when I first saw them back in August, I was like, I don't know if I remember saying this has got the competition GT3 seats in it. Looks pretty cool. So walking around this Long Beach red car, I just realized these are Michelin snow tires. I noticed those snowflakes right there, and started looking at the tread, and these are called Michelin Alpine Pilots. So I don't know. I think they look like snow tires with all those treads on there. I'll have to maybe do some research. I haven't seen these here. This is kind of a good news for people who want to drive their car all year round in inclement weathers, that they do have Pilot Alpine Michelin tires. This one over here, it's got the all-season tires on it. The last time I was here was a couple months ago, and I told you I would share with you some updates on the construction they're doing outside of the main office building here. So this is the new display that they have for the C8s. It's pretty cool. It doesn't appear, maybe they'll have ramps or something. I'm not sure what they're gonna put right here. Maybe that's a section that you can take pictures with the cars that are gonna be up there. They got a little sidewalk up here that you can walk up to. And then I'm sure they're probably gonna have some plants and some landscaping here as it's winter time and not conducive to plants. But there's some steps there. There's a ramp there to get the cars up. And it looks like when you look up here, there's some LED lights, and they're gonna plant 2 cars right up here. So that's kind of interesting. I think that's a cool concept there. So yeah, you definitely can walk up here. That's really cool that they did that. They definitely made this so you could walk up here and take pictures. And then they made that down there so the people taking pictures, you could be like taking pictures like up here, like this with a car behind you from someone down there. There's a car there. You could take a picture from like standing right here from way out there. It's a good idea. I like that. Good job, Chevrolet. Good job, General Motors. And then I saw this on Facebook the other day. They have taken the old C7 building pictures off and put the C8s up. That's an awesome picture. The red engine cover, the natural dipped interior, and the Elkhart Lake blue exterior car on that bridge. I think that bridge is down in Miami. So pretty awesome that they did that as well. All right, so here we are. There's all the Corvettes down there. As soon as I can focus through this fence, there we go. Now, one thing you'll notice, there are no Corvettes on any trucks that I see. I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 20 trucks, at least semi-trucks, Jack Cooper Transport. And there's a bunch of Corvettes down there. See if we can find my Corvette here in a second. I'm gonna show you how I'm tracking it and locating it and all that good stuff. See a bunch of whites down there. But they're actually asking to see if I can go in to look at the car. We'll see. I don't anticipate going in, but the worst thing that can happen when you ask is they say no. Always be polite, always be professional, but if they say yes, then perfect. As I'm waiting, they've got this big truck over here, and I noticed it says Crew Cab, K-R-E-W-K-A-B. That looks legit. I mean, it's riveted on there. Did they ever call Chevy trucks crew cabs? I've never seen it. I've never heard of it. Is this even a Chevy? Grumman, you know, that's just a body conversion company, right? So an upfit company. But is this a Chevy truck? I know Chevy made trucks like this. Interesting. All right, so they were very, very courteous. They said that we can't go in there. I had to call somebody else, and those people aren't here today. I've actually tried to call prior, but we do know where my car is, and I would think based off of this, it's more over behind these trucks, but we're gonna have a little fun here. we're gonna hop into the key fob for OnStar. We're going to activate the horn and lights, let it get my Face ID, and all of a sudden we will start seeing a horn. Oh, it's over there. I hear it. It's over there. I hear it honk. You guys can't hear it honk. You hear it honking? All right, so we'll shut it off. Oh, it says it's still processing. You hear it honk though, right?
I hear it honk.
Okay, I hear it honking too. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, 813 is succeeded. It sounds like it's over there though, right?
It does sound like that.
All right, so we're gonna walk over here and see if we can find it, honk the horn, flash lights one more time. There's a bunch of cars parked over here. Now, you remember a couple months ago, I came here to look at that car that was like disassembled and whatnot out here. Well, there's a bunch of cars parked over there, and there is a white one. I didn't see any yellow calipers because that's going to be the easiest way for me to tell my car with the yellow calipers. But there are a bunch of cars over there, and I can't imagine that it's right here, but I think it's more over there, so we'll check it out. All right, guys, I got Andrew on the phone, CSP Performance. What is your job there? Are you a tuner? Are you a car builder? What I was telling the camera earlier, I don't even know what to call you.
I'm like everything.
Yeah, you are everything. That's exactly where I was going with that. You want to hop on your OnStar app and honk the horn of your Corvette, see if we can find it?
Holy shit. Okay. Oh man, I'm sorry. Shannon's doing it right now. You seen anything?
Oh, shh, be quiet. I don't know if I'm hearing something in my head. No, I don't see it. I don't hear it.
Okay, I stopped it.
Okay. All right, I got my horn honking and flashing again. We're by these cars over here. I can hear it, but it's way over there on that part of the plant. So it doesn't look like I'm gonna get to see it up close here today. I can hear it. I can see a bunch of white ones, but I don't see it. So I bet it's up there by that white trailer. It's kind of hard to see through that tree right there, but there's a white trailer right there, center frame. I bet it's way up there by those. There's a lot of cars up there. All right, I got Andrew back on the phone, and he's gonna honk his horn, see if I can see his car.
Oh, wait, did I remote start? No, I didn't remote start it last time. Okay, here, honking the horn. It says in progress, and still in progress. Is it succeeded?
I don't see it or hear it.
Okay, maybe it's gone. Maybe it left. Maybe it's on the way to your dealership, and I'm gonna have it like wavy for you.
All right, buddy.
Well, Chevy Dude, thank you for the information.
You're welcome. I guess we're just gonna have to wait to, see when the cars show up at the dealership.
Okay, I'll be stalking it.
All right, see you, buddy. All right, guys. Well, we had a little fun today. We didn't really get our #1 goal done, and that was see my car before it gets to the dealership. We heard it though, which is more than anybody else out in the world right now currently that has a Corvette owner, that they've heard their Corvette honk, right? So that's at least cool. It means nothing to nobody, but it's something that, I set out to do and had a little fun with doing, and I can bring that fun and experience to you guys as well. Later in the week, there's a couple yellow Corvettes back here. I'm gonna show you those yellow Corvettes too, because I did get to do 2 videos down here. So from the amazing Bowling Green assembly plant down here in Bowling Green, Kentucky, UAW Local 2164. I showed you the new setup for the C8s that they're going to put up there. That looks amazing. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn all your bell notifications on, leave a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day and drive safely.